everybody, this is again MZR Tomorrow channel or Showtime with MZ, and in today's video I will teach you how to upload videos on YouTube. So first of all, what you're gonna do is that you're gonna go to YouTube, of course, and then you're gonna press this little thingy right here. So you're gonna create a video and upload a video. And then you're gonna go right into your channel content YouTube studio, and then you're gonna press select file if you have already made that video. So how to write in MLA style, this is my video, so I'm gonna just simply go here and put the video right there. Then here it comes how to write in MLA style. Tire? No, right. To write in MLA style. So then you're gonna need the specifications. So, for example, quick and easy guide. Okay. Then comes here in this video. Okay. So in this video, I will teach you how to write in MLA style. Then comes the thumbnail. So you can choose one of the thumbnails or make it by yourself. Then you're gonna, if you wanna add it to your playlist, so I'm gonna add it just to the technology with MZ because I think this is the playlist that is most relatable. It's not made for kids because I don't think that kids will really be interested in the writing and the MLA style. Okay. Then you're gonna need to make your own thumbnail, but here's the quick shortcut that one day may save your life or not, but still, Google. And you're gonna write how to write in MLA style. And go to images. And here are some like images that may be interesting for you, related to your content, of course, that you are uploading right now. So, for example, this one. Yeah, I think this is the best one. Okay, so I'm gonna just simply download this, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just simply put this right here. Okay, and here comes the MLA style. This. Then you're gonna press more options, and I don't need the paid promotion. And here comes the tags that are really important. So what you're gonna do is that you're gonna just simply type some tags, MLA style, MLA style, MLA. Yeah, that sort of stuff. And then you don't need here to do anything. Like, just choose this. So, for example, I think this is education. And then next. Then you may need to add an ad screen. You may want to add an ad screen as well. So you're gonna just simply import from the latest video or something like that. Then you're gonna choose the video that you want to be there. So, for example, I will just simply. Well, I don't have any educational videos, so I will put here technical, like, for example, how to get Procreate for free. It's a great video, so if you haven't watched that, check it out as well. Then you're gonna add an ad script, a card.
What is up, everybody? This is again
Cards are pretty
MZR Tomorrow channel or Showtime with MZ. And in today's video.
Okay, so for example, you need the call to be 030. So video or playlist, how to iPhone tips and tricks. Then you need the O. So you're gonna press here and go, for example, the YouTube Studio tutorial. Maybe you're a YouTuber still, like the relatable stuff that the people who watch this video may also watch that video. Okay, then I want to put here how to get free music. Here, yeah. And the last but not least, how to get Procreate for free. Oh, it's not here. Okay, not a big deal. Okay, doesn't matter. So these are the cards. 1, 2, 3, 4 cards. So then you're gonna press return to YouTube Studio after you have done your text, so that your video won't be like it will be saved, and you don't have to start doing that again. And then you're gonna just simply press public and publish it. So yeah, this is how you publish a video. So thanks guys for watching, subscribe to my channel to see more, like, comment, and